In today's video, we are going to learn how to create and save documents in Microsoft Word. Whether you are now to Word for just any day refreshers, this tutorial will guide you through the basics. Let's get started. Okay. So the first, let's open the Microsoft Word, and you can do this by clicking on the Word icon on your desktop, or you can easily type by searching for word. Like if I gonna use the word now, you can see use the word. Okay, so just click on the word, and here it's now open. And once the word is open, you will see a start screen. So click on the new document by clicking over here, and create a blank document by the clicking or selecting by the blank document. Okay, so here now let's add some text and formatting it. You can change it the font size and alignment, or using the options in the tool on the toolbar at the top of the screens. For example, let's use the this is the, or I can just say this. I will just say this is the sample text, this one. Okay, so here we have now this text. Now I want to change here the font styles by selecting using the different font. For example, we have now the different. I will change and the font point by using or selecting over here, and change the font colors by selecting over the font colors, and you can have the different font colors over here. Okay, so this way you can easily change it. Or if you want to use like uh, here, or I would use your here the difference alignment by using over here. We can have the difference alignment over here, like this is the center alignment, this is the right align, and this is the justify align. Okay, so let's use the center align. So now that we have the center aligned in there. Okay, so now let's use over here, and this times I want to use this one. And for example, I will type a heading and make it bold and center. So what I'm gonna do, I will use the heading introductions, like the here the introductions I want to use, then select it, then use it the bold. Now that we have the bold over here, I want to take it to the centers by using this one into the here, change the styles using the headings. So it comes with the headings over here. Whatever you type, it will comes under the headings over there. Okay, so once you have created your document, for example, you use it the simple one, then quickly, I can just say the brown fox just over the lazy dog here. Okay, once we have done our create our documents and we have work in there, so it's important to save it. Click on the file tabs on the top of the left corner, then select the save it. Okay, so select destinations, like choose where you want to save your document. You can save it on your computer or OneDrive on another locations. Okay, so for example, let's start with our, I can just say the documents and type NA for your documents in the file name boxes. Okay, and also make sure to choose a name that will help you easily identify the documents later. For example, I can just say the create or create documents here, and use the and savings. I can just say the savings. Now that we have just used it, hit on the OK by using the save. Okay, and also ensure that the safest type is Word document or docs over here. For the best capability, then click on the save. Okay, so Microsoft Word also has an auto save feature. If you are working on document or save in OneDrive to SharePoint, toggle the auto save, which at the top left corner, and here you can see use here the save to OneDrive or SharePoint Online if you want to save auto ships. So it's now here. And how do I turn on? You can easily turn on this one by using the auto save saves. Okay, so you can save your document anytime by using the shortcut key like Control or like the Control plus N or so on your keyword. So it's a good habit to save it frequently to avoid losing any work. And you can also use the save button by using the save key by clicking or from the quick access toolbar. Okay, so and that's it. You can have learned how to create and save documents in Microsoft Word. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please be with us, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.